Hey Google, what's the temperature outside?
The temperature in DeSoto right now is 31 degrees. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's 20.
I thought it felt like it was freezing out here, even though the sun was out. Anyway, out here repairing the damage. Y'all see what's missing right here? Y'all remember what was there? My sago palms. These things cannot handle the cold, and as you can see, I think I left them out the first day. I hope they not damaged beyond repair, but anyway, I had to put them on these little dollies and bring them in. But anyway, back to the business at hand. I got this thing drop fit, and this is the chlorinator to my pool, and I did a little patch to try to get me the last few days. So now I'm about to replace it. So I've been dry fitting everything, making sure everything fits. Now I'm getting ready to glue it all together so I can get this bad boy back up and running. One of the things that I can most definitely tell you is I'm not a professional nothing. I don't think I know how to do anything professionally except maybe talk shit. Anyway, now I got to get this off. And just like that, we're back in business again. All I have to do is clean up my mess and sit back and wait for the next disaster.